Recollections of Childhood, Part 4. Steele recollects the death of his father, the first scene of sorrow that he experienced when he was just 5 years old. The impressions were permanently fixed in his memory. It was the first scene of sorrow which he experienced. He was just 5 years old. He could not comprehend what was happening around him. His mother caught him in his arms and told him that his father was no more with them. Steele was too young to realize, to understand the loss at that time. But as the child is very sensitive and the impressions received in this age are permanent, the impression that he received at that young age were permanently fixed upon his memory. As people get older, they can reflect upon such incidents, revive the grief, and then bring about that purgation of feelings. Maturity makes one understand the suffering of innocent people, and when one sees the grief around him or her, the heart is filled with pity and compassion. It is sometimes different also. When you have some soldier, some gallant man who dies fighting in a battle, there is a feeling of veneration rather than pity and compassion. Compassion will come naturally, though. Steele अपने फादर की डेथ को याद करते हैं। तब जब वो 5 वर्ष के ही थे, उनकी पहली सीन थी उनकी सौरों की, जब उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा था, एंड उनके माँ ने उन्हें पकड़कर उन्हें बताया कि उनके पिताजी अब नहीं रहे। तो वो इम्प्रेशंस उनके माइंड में, जैसे कि बच्चे थे तो सेंसिटिव थे, तो उस समय से ही उनके माइंड में परमानेंटली फिक्स्ड हो गए। स्टील ये भी कहते हैं कि old men are better able to remember things which happen in their early youth than those which occur in later years. बाद में होने की घटना तो भूलते जाते हैं, और ओल्ड जैसे होते होते जाते हैं तो ज्यादा अर्ली यूथ की चीजें याद आती है। ये अपने आप में प्रूफ है कि जो पहले इंप्रेशंस लिए गए उसका एक परमानेंट इंप्रेशन होता है माइंड पर। माइंड विभिन्न तरीके से भी इंप्रेशंस को लेता है। यदि कोई वीर व्यक्ति बैटल में लड़ते हुए उसकी डेथ हो जाती है तो उसके लिए भावना दया से ज्यादा आदर का आता है। इसी प्रकार जब इनोसेंट लोगों को, बच्चों को कष्ट में देखते हैं तो हमारे मन में दया की भावना जागृत होती है।